Hello, welcome to vlog number 1 of Fast Track Me. If you've been following my progress at Pure West Radio on Facebook, you would have seen a couple of lives. Me doing my first driving lesson with Simon Mottram of Fast Track Driving School, and it was on Tuesday the 22nd, and my next lesson is on Wednesday the 30th of September. So if you're not following us on Facebook at Pure West Radio, make sure you do, because we're going to be doing lives both before and after the lesson, just to go over some of the things that we did. But I can tell you all about the lessons I've had. So Tuesday the 22nd, the first time I sat behind the driver's wheel of a car, and let me tell you, it's terrifying, utterly terrifying, but this was really good. Simon is amazing because he's very calm, very chilled, and so that keeps me nice and calm and chilled and not panicking too much. Luckily for me, on the first lesson we did something really nice, which was basically just driving up and down the same road. There's a roundabout at the end of that road, and there's also a lay-by that I was pulling into as well, so it was really nice not to have that much traffic, no traffic lights really, and just having a nice road, get used to the car as well, and also getting used to the brakes, just touching the accelerator and all that kind of stuff. So first lesson, really good, didn't have any major problems. Second lesson was yesterday, so today is Sunday, and we did a little bit more. We went a little bit further. We went to Pembroke Dock Town Centre, and down there is more than just straight lines. Oh, there was about 100 roundabouts, about 7,000 different traffic lights, parked cars on the left side of the road. So a big jump, but we haven't got long because my test is at the end of October. It's on the 30th of October. So we've got a lot of work to do, and I mean a lot of work to do. We still need to cover the parking, the show me, tell me questions. That'll be coming a little bit later as well. But the second lesson, now, if you watched the live, you might have heard Simon make a remark about mini roundabouts, and that's because, right, how can I explain this without sounding like a crazy person? So there's a tiny little mini roundabout, and he said to me, turn left. So the first left. So obviously, you know, check your signals, slow down, indicate left, move off to the left. If it's clear, go. My brain decided to indicate left, start turning left, and then my hands went, no, go forward. And I don't know what happened. I put it down to a brain fart. My brain just said, no, don't go left, go forward. Forward is better than left. And apart from that, the lesson went really well. I also seem to be having this habit, and I think I know why it is. I seem to have this habit of veering off to the left. I never hit the curb. I wasn't curb hitting. Is that what it's called? Curb hit? I don't know. But I think it's because I'm now on the right side of the car, and I'm acutely aware of all the cars that are going past me. So in my head, I'm thinking, right, just come to the left a little bit so you don't scrape or knock off someone's wing mirror or something crazy like that. Yeah, apart from that, it was good. I don't think I did anything majorly terrible. Didn't crash the car, didn't knock into anyone, didn't knock anyone down, so let's count that as a win. But it was a really good second lesson, and obviously the sooner we can get me into those environments, the better. Like I say, the end of October is when my test is booked, so we've got quite a bit of work to do. Got all the parking and stuff to come. So my next lesson will be on the 30th of September. That's the following Wednesday from the time of this filming. So keep your eyes peeled on our Facebook at Pure West Radio. We'll be doing a before and after on Facebook Live. And next week you will be able to see snippets of inside footage. It's been a little bit tricky, of course, because when you're in the car and you've got like a microphone, you pick up the sound of the car moving. So you can see our lips moving, but all you can hear is and it's no good for anyone because you can't hear what's going on and what's being said. So you would definitely get to see some good interior footage next week. So yeah, that about sums it up. First 2 lessons of this week have been good, and can't wait to get on with more. So yes, Facebook at Pure West Radio. Keep your eyes peeled. Wednesday the 30th of September. See you then.